Hey guys, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Today I am going to be going thrifting at the Goodwill Bins and see what we can find. As always, the most difficult part is finding a part that actually works. Oh, I think I got lucky this time. Ooh, I like these plates. I'm gonna grab this stack of plates. Alright, it took 2 hands to get these plates, but I grabbed them because I think not only will they be great if I wanted to use it as decor and staging, but also if we wanted to eat on them. I mean, they're beautiful. So grab those and look at this pillow I just found. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but it is beautiful. Look at this thing. It does have a mark right here. I wonder if I could get that out. Maybe with some hairspray. I don't know if y'all have tips on how to get markers out. Let me know. This thing is huge. Looks like they have some canvases. They have a little wooden Christmas tree right here. Ooh, I might get this for Rich. She's been wanting a dollhouse, but I really don't want a big one. This might be the perfect size that she can just kind of play with. I'll put that in my cart and think about it. These pictures. That one's kind of cute. American Homestead Autumn. See another one over here. Let's see what it looks like. This one's just a frame. Alright, it looks like they have some artwork today. Look at these prints. I do not like the faux crackle mat, but the prints are very beautiful. They have this one and they have this one. I think I'm gonna grab both of these because they're gonna be about $2 and I can just take the prints out. Some purses, Christmas stuff. What's this? Ooh, look at this. These are curtain rings, but I could probably use that for a DIY for something. Alright, let's see what's along the wall. Right off the bat, I see this cute little teacup. Look at that scalloped edge and that design. It says China, but I think I'm still going to get it because I think it is adorable. This is just a little creamer, nothing fancy. It says Russell Wright dishwasher safe, so it's probably a newer piece. I'm gonna grab this one. Oh, look at this little throw blanket. This color is perfect for my living room. I like the fringe on the end. I'm gonna check this over. Make sure there's no major rips or stains, but I might grab that. There's a basket. Looks like it's kind of broken up though. Doesn't look like a high quality one. This mug is cute. Threshold. There's a little clock. It's a brass lamp. Dish. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a vase. Wasn't expecting that. It has a marking on it, but I can't read it. Can y'all see what that is? It looks old. Probably gonna grab this. That would be pretty with some tulips kind of coming out of it, you know? Some purses. Do these sell for money? I don't know a lot about these vintage purses. This one says made in Hong Kong. Has a strap. I don't know. Y'all let me know if this is a good buy or not. Let's see what's over here. We got a whole box of glasses. Here is a little wood plate. Always pick these up when you find them because you can put them on top of a candlestick or a spindle or something and make a cute little riser. And I actually really like the wood color on here. Look how good it looks with stuff I've already collected. And I walked off without putting this properly in my cart, and it fell and broke. That is a bummer, and I can't even find the other piece to glue it on. I don't know what happened to it, so I'm gonna put that back. These are very interesting. They're cute. All right, I grabbed a few more things. They had these sticks. They have a screw at the top, so I don't know what they were originally for, but you know, I can use them for anything. I did end up picking up 2 of these globes because in the girls' closet, their light fixture doesn't have a globe, and I think these are precious. So I got 2 of those, and I'm gonna put them in their closet. And then I picked up this pillow that I think kind of goes perfectly with my color scheme. I don't see any stains on it. So when I'm buying soft goods, what I do is I make sure there's no smell, no major stains, and I also make sure it has a zipper so I can take everything apart and wash it. So I am very excited about what I found so far today. Looks like they have some vintage stuffed animals in here. Look at that thing. You think Ren would like it if I brought this home to her? Look at this one. Why are vintage stuffed animals so scary? What in the world? Alright, I gotta look at all of them now because they're so weird. Ooh, it sounds like they're rolling out old bins. So that means they're gonna bring some new bins. Look at this thing. I don't see any tags on it. Alright guys, they've brought out a few new bins and I have not seen anything that I'm interested in, so I think I'm going to head out. So this is everything that I'm going to purchase on this trip. I think it was a good success, and I will post a total on the screen for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping trip, and I will see y'all in the next one.